Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, I would like to address an issue because someone argued on how this exponent should be simplified. But let me get to that point first. We want to solve this equation 4 to the power of x squared divided by 2 to the power of x equal to 8. And we're only looking for the real values of x that can satisfy this equation. Alright, you should know that both 4, 2 and 8 can be written in the same base, right? Which is base 2. Because 4 is the same thing as 2 squared, while 8 is the same thing as 2 to the power of 3. 4 can be written as 2 squared, right? But remember, we have another exponent, which is what? X squared. We divide by 2 to the power of x, and this is equal to 2 to the power of 3. Remember this law from one of the laws of indices that stated that if you have a to the power of n, but also raised to the power of m, these two exponents, m and n, can always multiply. So we have a to the power of n m, right? So this is where the problem lies. This is an exponent, x squared. This is also an exponent, so they will multiply. We have 2 multiplied by x squared, which is 2x squared. But that person was saying the 2 exponent 2 will have to multiply, which is very wrong. Despite this is an exponent to this base x, but entirely x squared is also an exponent to what? To the 4 right here. Therefore, the exponent x squared will have to multiply 2, which is another exponent. So please take note of that. We don't multiply these 2 exponents. Therefore, our equation becomes 2 to the power of 2x squared divided by 2 to the power of x. This is equal to 2 to the power of 3. Let me simplify the left hand side first. Because we have equal bases, we take a single base, which is 2. Then we subtract the exponents. We have 2x squared minus x. And the right hand side remains 2 to the power of 3. From here, we can equate the exponents because we have common bases. So 2x squared minus x must be equal to 3. You can bring the 3 inside. We have 2x squared minus x minus 3 equal to 0. Now we can factorize this. We take the leading coefficient, which is 2. We multiply by the constant. What I mean is 2 multiplied by negative 3, which is going to give us what? Negative 6. Then we think of 2 numbers that we can multiply together to get negative 6. But when we add them together, we get negative 1, which is the coefficient of x. And the numbers are what? Negative 3 and positive 2. So we can replace negative x with 2x minus 3x. I know I can do the factorization directly, but let me show you all the steps. So we have 2x squared plus 2x minus 3x. Then minus 3, this is equal to 0. Then we factorize in batches, the first 2 and the last 2. The first 2 contain 2x in common. Inside we have x. If you take this, you divide by what you have factored out, you're going to obtain x plus 2x divided by 2x is equal to 1. So we have 1 here. Then from the second 2 terms, we have negative 3 in common. Inside, if you take this, you divide by negative 3, you're going to obtain x. Take this, divide by what is outside, you have 1. And this is equal to 0. The 2 brackets are exactly the same, so we bring 1 out, x plus 1. From the first term, we have 2x left. From the second term, we have negative 3. And this is equal to 0, right? Then we're going to set each factor to be equal to 0. Either x plus 1 equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 equal to 0. And hence, x could either be equal to negative 1 or x equal to 3 divided by 2. If you take negative 3 to the other side, it becomes positive. Then you divide both sides by 2. And hence, this is just the result or the answer to that problem. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.